I did or what I drove through to get this car so dirty. Because I've been driving nothing but the S650 recently. I have no idea what I did. No, I got caught in the rain 1 or 2 times, but man, gotta get this car detailed. We gonna go for a little drive in the Shelby GT350. It has been some time since I've just driven this car. Oh my God. As you can tell, completely forgot how to drive it. Every time I get in this car after driving the S650 for an extended period of time, I always stall it, I always buck it. Which doesn't make sense because the clutch in this car is way lighter. And this is arguably easier to drive. Nah, it's not easier to drive. Definitely not, I'd be lying. But the clutch feels a lot easier, that's for sure. Maybe I'm used to the assist in the S650 on takeoff, and going in this car, 0 assist, nothing, no hill assist, none of that. All that's gone, all that's not working on this car. It's just go straight and hold on and shift. Raw feel. Hey, but that's what the Shelby GT350 is all about. Not just straight line, but I pretty much turned this into a straight line car. This morning, I need to get somewhere right now. Oh my Lord, I'm gonna be late to a work assignment.
moments later.
This can't be real. What are the odds I run into this when I need to get somewhere? Like, What are the odds of this happening?
One eternity later.
We're taking a little detour. I'm glad I didn't, because that car literally just randomly merged in my lane. That would have been real bad. I would have to go like, ah! That would have been really bad. mess up the power delivery. Jesus Christ. Every time I hit advanced track, you can hear it go like, like it wants to slow the car down. Let me go ahead and turn it off. That's the second time I've done a pull. There we go. Jesus, dude. This car's dangerous. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm doing hits and forth. Like, what? Why is advanced track going on? Like, fourth gear is no power. Like, there it goes. Woo! Doing a second gear hit. There's way too many cars. Oh, we got an opening. Oh, shit. I was just about to do a hit. Forget it. We got a cop. I like how on this side of town, there's not that much traffic. I mean, there is traffic, but not nearly as bad where I stay at. For a second I thought that was a Celica from the back with some monster truck fitment. I was like, yo. Clutch did not like that. Y'all probably heard that stutter. My clutch did not like that. It's hot as hell though, but stock clutch fighting for dear life. It did not like that. Those cars were literally like so far behind and I just went bye-bye. Guy gonna say, oh no, I'm gonna say he looked like he was pissed, but I'm like, hey man, look, I was probably like 10 cars ahead, gone. chill now. I'm about to get off of my exit right now. Surprised it didn't slip, but it did do that. That means it's hot. I cannot believe this car is still on the stock clutch. Taking that lick. Probably because I don't beat on it 24/7. Realistically, that's exactly why. I don't beat up the car 24/7. I don't do back-to-back hits. That's gotta be why it's still alive. It's hating every minute that I take this car over 5,500 RPM, but hey, it's taking that beating. All right, got done what I needed to get done. I need to get an engine bay detail and an exterior detail ASAP. I don't know how this car got so dirty so quickly, but it is what it is, y'all. That's how you know I drive it. ESS G3R 110mm pulley. Very happy. Next thing to do is finally get the clutch installed. Might take the car out to Mexico this weekend. Might be going on another road trip. But until then, hopefully y'all are enjoying the content. And if you do and want to stay up to date, feel free. Drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there. Deuces.